Hello, dear students of St. Andrew's School, Class 8th. I'm your science teacher, Dr. Amit Alexander Charan, the principal of the school, and I'm here to teach you part 1 of chapter number 8, Cell, Structure and Function. So the very first question arises before us, what is cell? Cell is the very small unit of a body. Actually, it is like a flow chart. ये एक हायरार्की है, एक फ्लो चार्ट के रूप में है. Cell, when cells mix up, they make tissue. When tissue they mix up, they make organ. And when organ they assemble together, they make organ body. Right? So the very small stage is known as cell, and they are cells. They are found in living organisms, both in plant system, animal system, human system. So the cells, there are organisms which are single celled also, like amoeba, euglena, and there are organisms which are multicellular, like human body. Our body is made up of billions of cells, like muscle cells, nervous cells, pancreatic cells, liver cells, heart cells. Every organ is made up of cells, जैसे मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में फ्लो चार्ट पर बताया था. So जैसे आपने ईंट की दीवार देखी है, small bricks they are built together और वो एक वॉल बनाते हैं. इसी तरीके से small cells they combine and they form tissues. जब अनियन को माइक्रोस्कोप में व्यू करते हैं तो वो वैसे ही ब्रिक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई देते हैं. बीच में एक डॉट दिखाई देता है. दैट डॉट रिजेंबल्स द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द सेल, द हार्ट ऑफ द सेल. राइट? सो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेल्स. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, द लॉन्गेस्ट सेल is generally known as the nervous cell, which is found in us. हमारी जो nervous cell, that is the longest cell. And in the same way, single celled organisms, I told you amoeba, in which one cell does all the function. लेकिन हमारी बॉडी में ऐसा नहीं है. मसल सेल्स, देखिए मैं अपने हाथ को मूव कर रहा हूं. द मसल सेल्स हेल्प्स इन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड इलोंगेशन ऑफ माई हैंड. ये मसल सेल का काम. इसी प्रकार से नर्वस सिस्टम, आपने सुना होगा रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. आपके सामने से कुछ चीज निकली एंड यू टर्न बैक साइड. आपको क्यों पता चला? बिकॉज योर आईज सॉ इट, they gave the signal to your brain through nervous cells, and suddenly your body respond and you turn back side. आप बच गए. That is the responsibility of nerve cells. So nervous cells are the longest cells. So the number of cells, as I told you, unicellular भी होते हैं and multicellular organisms भी होते हैं, as I told you. Right? So now I come on the shape of the cells, like skin cells, जो हमारी skin है, right? Skin cells, they are flat in structure. Flat होते हैं because they have to cover your whole body from head till toe. They have to cover, so they are flat cells. Nervous cells, they are long thread-like structure. ऐसे होते हैं nervous cells आपके. ये जो upper part होता है, जो मैं ट्राइंगल टाइप का दिखा रहा हूं, these are dendrites, and long chain is there. यहां पर भी डेंड्राइट्स होते हैं और यहां पर दूसरा नर्वस सेल ज्वाइन होता है. सो नर्वस सेल्स आर द लॉन्गेस्ट सेल्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी, and in the same way the cells which you have in your body, which are known as the defense cells, are known as WBC. These WBC, white blood cells, they are irregular in shape. They do not have any type of shape, right? So they can change their shape. And nervous cells, they carry messages from one part to another part. Okay, now the size of the cell, we come to the size of the cell. The cell size starts from micrometer. What is micrometer? Please see. 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter is known as 1 micrometer. So the cell size, they start from micrometer and they go till millimeter. Like for example, the smallest cell, amoeba, is some micrometer in length, while the biggest cell, which is known as the ostrich egg, ostrich का जो अंडा है, that is the biggest cell and that is few centimeters, एक बड़ा अंडा है, that is known as the largest cell. So different cells have their different functions, and the cells, they are covered by a membrane which is known as the cell membrane. जैसा उसका नाम है वैसे ही आप याद कर सकते हैं. Cells are covered by a membrane which is known as cell membrane, which is thin, पतली होती है, porous, porous का मतलब है the particles from inside can transfer to outside, outside से inside transfer हो सकता है, porous होते हैं. And this outer boundaries, cell membranes, it provides protection, it provides so that no harm or danger can come inside the cell. And these membranes, they can help in the transfer of food and transfer of water particles and other things inside the cells. So that is all for today for the part 1 of chapter number 8. God bless you all.